So my recent online earnings of more than $500 came just from viewing YouTube videos. You can earn $10 for each video you watch, and you can earn $20 for watching 2 videos and a respectable $40 for watching 4. You might earn up to $500 or possibly much more by watching more and more vids. Now you must go to YouTube and type viral comedy videos into the search bar. The first thing you need to do is this. As you can see, there is a strong demand for these videos because so many people enjoy watching them. So in a moment, I'll show you how to maximize your earnings from these films. Simply choose one of these videos to advance to the following stage. I want you to watch this particular example's video for at least 30 seconds to make sure it's a good one. I only want you to apply this strategy on videos you enjoy watching because that will guarantee that others will feel the same way. If you don't like this one, try another one. I'll use this video as an example because I think it's a nice one. The next thing I want you to do is go to Google and type in the search bar, download YouTube thumbnail. After clicking the first result, go back to YouTube and copy the video's URL. We need to acquire the thumbnail, which is this image. If you're using a computer like I am, it will look like this. But you can also utilize this method with a phone. Just carefully follow my directions, enter the data online, and then click the download button to save the image to your device. Unlike what I did here, you are not limited to merely watching well-known comedy videos. Practically any type of video may be used with this strategy. Just make sure that there are millions of them on YouTube and that they get lots of views. So, make the most of this opportunity and, as I stated, choose viral videos that have millions of views. Selecting videos that nobody will watch is not a good idea. As long as you have a computer or smartphone and access to the internet, you can finish this assignment wherever you live. Now, the second thing I ask of you is visit canva.com, a free website. Create an account first if you haven't already. Simply click this sign up button to get started. After there, you can sign up using a Google or Facebook account or another option. To upload the image, click here where it says Uploads. Then select Upload Files and then press Create New Design. Make it bigger just like what I'm doing now. Click on these components and drag this shape in front of our image to move on to the next phase. Click here to alter the color if you'd like to. For instance, since the text will be printed in front of it, I'll make it red and then try to scale it such that it appears like this. In order to enter "Oh my god viral video" here and the video's title below, click on this text sign over here. And then click the Add a Heading option. The title of the video I'm using in this instance is Try Not to Laugh, so I'll just type that here. The font of this text will then be changed by clicking this since we want it to stand out. Additionally, I'll enlarge it a little, and you may now select different colors. Now go back to Elements and hunt for a play button using the search bar. Drag one of these play buttons onto our image after just typing in play button to display the results. The last thing I want you to do is find an arrow and try dragging one of these arrows over to this image to somewhat enlarge it because it is currently fairly little. Simply go to the sharing page, click on download, then click download again, and your image will be available when you proceed to the next step. I'll show you how to quickly and easily generate money online with this image and this YouTube video. Now before we go any deeper, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you love the video thus far. And if you found this video interesting and informative, please share this video. Okay, so for our next website, we'll utilize Pinterest.com. We'll advertise our YouTube videos on our website in an effort to make money online. Every day, millions of individuals, largely from the United States and the United Kingdom, visit the popular website Pinterest. Now, as a first step, create a Pinterest account. It's very easy. In this video, I'm going to show you a brand new method that hasn't been mentioned in the internet before and isn't widely known, so you should utilize it now before it becomes overused. After making an account, click on Create here to start generating pins. Simply double-click this field and type the title of your movie in the box that displays to submit an image. The title of the video I'm using is Try Not to Laugh, followed by the phrase Watch Now. You also have the choice of adding a description or leaving it blank. The next stage, the addition of our link, is where the magic happens. People who see your image on Pinterest will click this link to view the video if you put the link to it here. You won't make any money by providing the video's direct link here, but the movie or the video will get a lot of views via Pinterest because Pinterest gets a lot of free traffic. Instead, if you choose to do that, I will demonstrate how to include a link of your own that will earn you money each time a user clicks on it. The important thing is that this image, which I made with Canva, looks fantastic as you can see. Work hard to make your image look fantastic if you want to succeed at this, because if it doesn't, no one will click on your link, and you won't make any money. Spend more time producing lovely photographs. Now, visit shrinkme.io to create the link that will be added here and generate revenue for us. You can create an account by clicking register and providing the essential information. Your username, email address, password, and new password must be all entered. You can then log into your own account by selecting register and checking the box next to I'm not a robot. This is how your dashboard will appear. You can make a withdrawal of as little as $5 from this website using a number of different payment methods, including PayPal, Bitcoin, and others. Now go back to your dashboard and select New Shortened Link. Copy and paste the video link here. In this case, I should select Shorten. At this point, all you have to do is copy this link and paste it on Pinterest. Go ahead and make a board here before sharing your pictures. You can give it any name you choose, then click the Create and Publish buttons. These two are in red, and your Pinterest account may indicate Publish or Save. You'll run into this final problem as well, and I'll show you how to fix it straight away. This URL has been blocked, as you can see, because it might lead to spam. As a result, we won't be able to share links on Pinterest from websites like shrinkme.io. Friends, don't worry. I'll tell you how to disregard this warning. We will use this website as a link or middleman. It is known as Linktree. If you use Instagram frequently, Linktree is a very well-known website. You've undoubtedly seen this website mentioned a lot in people's bios. After creating your account, click on Add New Link, paste the URL of your ShrinkMe link there, and then click the Add button. You only need to copy your link from here. Paste it on Pinterest, then hit Publish to finish. You can see that uploading the link was successful without any problems. This link will take them to ShrinkMe, where we will be paid when they click it. The final bonus tip that will double or triple your money is to share your Pinterest link with your Facebook and Instagram friends. To be quite honest, one of my favorite strategies to draw free visitors is to publish the link in Facebook groups. Now, without putting the link outside, you will surely gain free traffic from Pinterest, although you are of course free to do so if you so choose. To earn constantly rising revenues, all you have to do is keep doing this to as many films as you can. The video is almost over, but before you stop watching, consider what I have to say. It's likely that you just don't appreciate using Canva to make photos like this, or viewing YouTube videos in general. If so, you can still view this latest video I made to learn how to make money online by doing easy Google searches. And that's it. If you love similar content like this, take a look at my other videos, and if you like it, please smash the like button. And make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell, so that you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. If you have further questions, feel free to comment down below. See you in the next video.